bug on me, just tell me. If there's a bug on me, just put it away. Bug! Nathan. Where's that? Over there.
Stop, Nathan.
Yeah. Nathan. Sugar, I don't think so flies.
Nathan.
It's gonna push you away. No, it's not.
Careful, it's slippery.
Naya! Oh, Naya, come back over here!
It's not as bad as when you get in, though. Honey bro. She got you. She beat you. Yeah.
Because of the green. You see this black stuff? That's why it's slippery.
I'm halfway in, honey boo. I said I'm halfway in.
Well, I'm all
Oh, that feels good.
It's legit water going up. You're a cool cat. I'm gonna go where Daddy is.
Alright.
2, 1.
Oh!
Guys! I'm gonna do it! I'm gonna do it! Okay. Can I have the GoPro, Mommy, so I can put it underwater?
Nathan, stop moving around.
Wait, Mom, can I do it? Please, I want to try. I'm here. Did I step on you?
Look at Daddy, Nathan. You want to count down?
3, 2, 1. Gone. Did you go pee yet?
I'm going to do it because I've always wanted to go in a river.
Okay. Okay, you do it.
I'm not going to dunk, but I'm going to... No.
Alright, if you do it, I'm going to do it. If you and Daddy do it, I'm going to do it. It makes it.
Here, hold it.
No!
Hold your daddy.
Daddy, are you ready? Alright, I'm going to do a countdown from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get down. Oh my gosh. Alright, again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get down. you doing it?
Because it's fucking cold.
Mom, you do it. Yeah.
12, 1.
Ooh. It's cold. All right, I'll go under. All right, Daddy's gonna do it. I think Daddy's gonna do it. Daddy, are you gonna do it? All right, you're almost there. 3, 2, 1. Daddy,
You gotta turn around because all we see is your back.
in your butt. All right. Ooh, I'm cold. I'm gonna try to swim. Nathan, stop. All right.
Oh.
What? Something happened?
Nathan, come here. Look. Go around this way, Papa.
What?
There's like a little stair here, like a little somewhere to sit for you. Come here.
All right, Daddy, we're gonna do the countdown. 3, 2, 1. There's a fly on you.
Shit.
See, look, Daddy, how
All right, Daddy, you're gonna do the dunk. All right, Daddy, you gotta do it. 3, 2,
Damn, that's like
1.
breath away, man.
Daddy, all right, Mommy.
Oh, save me, Jesus.
It's like taking breath away.
Mommy, you gotta do the dunk. All right.
Oh, the reason I'm doing this is because I've always wanted to do this.
Okay.
Stop it.
All right.
Stop.
Can I go with you?
Yeah.
All right. Whoa. Oh my God. You almost made me fall.
It's cold.
You almost made me fall.
Stop. Don't hold on to me, please.
Okay. Hold on to the GoPro.
It's because you guys have shoes on and Mommy and Daddy don't. So it's extra slippery. Look at all the bugs over there.
Yeah, the bugs are over there. There's a slide over there. I'm going to it.
No, you're not going by yourself.
I'm gonna go with Daddy.
And now this way.
Usher.
Oh,
You have
Come on, this way. You're going this way.
Usher.
I know.
Okay.